Hi everyone, my name is Abhinav and my brother's name is Abhishek. This is our new channel, Robo-Tech. In this channel, we will explain app development, coding, mobile development, etc. This channel is for coding beginners. So if you like our videos, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel.
Okay, so let's start. My name is Abhishek and today I will show you some basics of coding and how to draw or create a shape using block coding on Wiinblock. So let's start. This page is Wiinblock. The link for the same will be shared in the description of this video. So the steps you should always do whenever you do a project on Wiinblock is what I'm going to show you now. So first you should take Arduino Nano over here and you can choose any three of them, any one of them in these three, no issues. And then go here and there will be a upload option over here where you can see real time that I have already done the steps so you can't see. So you should click that and then you will see a robot here and that we are not gonna use today, so you can delete it using this option over here. But if this is Spencer, I have already done those steps, so I'm not going to delete it now. And then you should go in this sprite option and then take a pen. You can search over here pen and take it, but I have already taken it. And then go over here this plus symbol and take this pen. These are the steps you should do, not always, but whenever you do a project on Wiinblock, okay. But if you are using pen, you can use you can take pen over here when in the sprite. The sprite is mainly the characters, but if you are using any other character, you can choose accordingly. And then here I have done the coding for today, so I'll explain it one by one. So let's start. So the first block, that is pen down, is used to keep the pen down. As you all know, we always need to give specific instructions to the computer. If we don't use this block, then the computer will draw the shape on air, which can't happen. We are using this to keep the pen down on the paper to draw. Okay, so that is this block. And then the next block, move 100 steps over here, is used to move 100 steps or to draw a line on the paper. We are using 100 steps because the computer always takes one step so small, so 100 steps, then only it will be like enough for a line, or like 4 centimeter or 3 centimeter, even if you are taking 100 steps. So if you want small line, you can change it accordingly. Over here you can type whatever you want. And then the next block, that is turn 90 degree, is used because today we are going to create a square. As I told you, today we are going to create a shape and that is square. So for square, each side is 90 degrees, right? So for that, to turn that into 90 degrees, we are using this. And you can change this accordingly whenever you are creating another shape. For example, triangle, it is 120 degrees, so you can change it to 120, and rectangle it's again 90, like that. And then another type of block you will see today, this block, wait 0.5 second or 0.5 second. That is used simply to make the code look real. Because if we don't use this code, then the computer will just create a shape, create the square shape in just a second, not even a second, lesser than that. So if you want the computer to draw a shape as if like a human, each line after one, so then you should wait, you should use this block, wait 0.5 seconds. So now I'll run the code and show you. For running the code, you should either press pen down or you can press this green over here flag go. But if you're pressing this green flag, then you should add one more code, which is when flag clicked, and this will be in the event section. So if you use this, then only if we click this flag, then the code will run. Otherwise, when we click the flag, it will not. Then you can simply click here. So now I'm going to click the flag. Yeah, you can see it created a square as I told you. So now let us check another observation. If we remove this 0.5 seconds, 0.5 seconds, then what? Yeah, so now let's check if we remove this page 0.5 seconds, and in the pen we should erase all. For clearing the shape we created, we can use erase all. So now let's check what is going to happen. Look at this, in just a fraction of a second it created a shape. So it doesn't look real, right? So for that we are adding wait 0.5 seconds, and we are repeating the same code, move 100 and turn 90 degrees and wait 0.5 seconds 4 times. Only wait 0.5 is 3 times and move 100 and turn 90 is 4 times, because the square has 4 sides, so it should repeat 4 sides. So this is how we create a shape. And so this is the coding. So yeah, so what we learned in today's class, we learned how to create a shape using block coding in Wiinblock, and then angles, and yeah. So in the next video I'll explain you more things related to coding. Till then, bye bye. And if you like our channel and videos, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.